If your Garmin instinct is stuck in a language you don't know, press and hold the menu button and go down of 2, 1, 2, and select. Then go down of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then select and select again. And then find your language. Then select, wait a bit, and your watch is now in your language. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.